Hurry!
Hold it! Hold it! Hold it! Illegal lane change! You have contravened the law!
But how?
You moved before the lights turned from red to green. That is an explicit transgression of the state traffic law, and there is a penalty!
I was waiting patiently, just
Okay,
like...
you're wasting my time. Let's go to our office.
Sir, but I'm trying to explain to you.
Please, I am not interested. Let us go to our office. You will explain better there. Please drive. It's in front. Yes, that's our office. Enter here. Where are you going? Didn't you hear me? Turn the car back and enter our office. Mr. Man, I am an officer of the law, and you are now obstructing justice. Do you know the penalty for that? Stop this car immediately!
Hello, Baba? Yes, it's me. Yes, I am bringing the sacrifice for the ritual, and I'll be there very soon. Okay.
Please now. I'm just doing my job. Please. I don't want to die. Oga, please. Please. My wife just born. I will not do it again. I will not do it again.
Get out.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. It is a punishable offense to obstruct an officer of the law.
Hurry!